Wrangler gives you real-time financials in a Google Sheet, refreshing nightly and whenever you click a Run button. You can fully customize the reports to match your branding and logo, and you can double-click to drill down to find underlying data in QuickBooks. With Wrangler, you can build unlimited automated reports. Just select your report type, how you want the data to be displayed, and where you want it to go. We support dozens of different report types, including your favorite QBO reports and some custom reports only available with Wrangler. Each of these reports is also filterable in unique ways, so you can decide who sees what data regardless of if they have QuickBooks access. Wrangler's most powerful feature is the Magic Report, which allows you to build custom queries to get highly specific data from QuickBooks. Just select what data points you want, what order, and filter them if desired. You can use this to build reports of transactions without a class, or transactions for a specific department, or anything else that you need. Wrangler takes minutes to set up, and you can try it risk-free with our money-back guarantee.